We welcome everyone who has an idea for a business or a service or a product that they'd like to share with our esteemed panel of judges. We have Paul Silva, who is the local Angel Catalyst investor, Susanna Howe, who is the co-faculty advisor for the entrepreneurship initiatives here, and we have Marilyn from development. We have a timekeeper in the back. When you see her raise her hand, that means your time is up. You will be judged 50% on the viability of your idea and 50% on the quality of your presentation.
Hi, I'm Christine Ricky. I'm a student here at Smith College, and at least for Smith College, spring break is next week. So I guess a lot of students, myself included, we like to hit the road, but we're students, we don't usually have a lot of money, we're spending it on tuition. Road trips cost a lot of money, and you have the rental car, you have the gas, the place to stay, hotel, motel, inn, whatever, food, it all adds up. But what if you could rent a small van that actually had a pull-out bed in it, or a sink and a stove, buy food and cook it, and a place to stay so that you don't have to rent a room at a hotel or motel or something, or stay outside and actually camp if there's any campground around. It'd be kind of nice. You'd save a lot of money. So that's what I thought, and so I came up with the idea of camp and drive, because you can go to campers.
I think that's really nice.
For students and faculty in the room, are you really completely satisfied with Moodle?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, well, I'm a adult and I'm about to graduate with a BS in Engineering Science, and I'm proposing an idea that would incorporate ideas from course management software and the best in education science and the best in social networking to create a comprehensive package that would really serve the needs of students for course management and learning. So this would be for colleges and universities who want to improve their student user experience and their faculty user experience and serve the needs of students by promoting discussion and things like this, which are really important to deep learning. So I would incorporate a news feed from social networking, so that could show postings and reminders, things like that, in a really easy to read format, which we don't have right now for course management software. And that would be really useful. It would be quick and easy for students to see. And also I would include a way to parse information from text files so that professors wouldn't have to spend a long time inputting the information. This would promote discussion and just really improve the user experience and learning experience.
Currently, 140 million people are employed in the American workforce today, many of whom have children or plan to have children. President Obama recognizes that early childhood education is in need of serious restoration. One thing my education at Smith College has taught me is the importance of a formal education. So these are major reasons why my partner Trina Coleman and I, she's also a Smith student and education major, why we have decided to start Cherry Child Care Center. Cherry Child Care Center focuses on academics and social development. Our curriculum places emphasis on multiculturalism to reflect the makeup of our country. We have partnered with several others who are fluent in Spanish, French, and Chinese to teach children other languages and about other cultures. Our curriculum also focuses on daily activities such as hula hooping or hopscotch to teach children about their right foot or their left foot and so on and so forth. The cost of this child care center is very affordable. We hope to make it around $200 per week for families of all classes. In order to make the service available to members of the Pioneer Valley, which is where we hope to establish this business, we are looking to connect with investors.
Has your brother, husband, cousin, son even ever been in dire need of a good pampering session just because his fingernails, toenails were just a little unsightly? Well, this would be the perfect solution. A thorough yet relaxing session of manicures, pedicures, and hair cutting to not only enhance their physical attractiveness, but also their professionalism as a whole. They're more trusted in the workplace because they display a sense of caring about their physical appearance. Not many exclusively men's spa and barbershop locations exist in the United States, making this opportunity and concept unique and useful, and just completely opens up the market for men who don't have accessibility to these places, which might exist overseas, like Paris and London, fashion capitals. And I would like to request, as a startup, $20,000 for this idea, not only for renting a location, but also for purchasing equipment, the training of service individuals, and promotion.
I'm proposing Girls Leadership China, which will target 90 million girls between the ages of 15 and 24. With a severe lack of leadership programs for young women in China, I believe that these practical leadership skills, hands-on leadership experience, will promote increased leadership of women in China. So these classes will provide skills in public speaking, debate, presentation skills, group work skills, and much more. So there will be monthly series of classes that are taught by undergraduate students speaking English, because English is second language that is spoken in China, and they will be able to learn how to think on their feet and critically analyze real-world case study problems. Furthermore, on the conservative side, if each girl were to spend about 100 yuan, which is the equivalent of $15 per month on these classes, it would generate 1.4 billion US dollars. That would be our net profit. And then with my training and background in economics, government, East Asian studies, Chinese, and women's studies, and with a degree from Smith College, I believe that this is a very feasible program. And so your investment in Girls Leadership China will generate an exponential net profit. Therefore, I believe that it will increase the number of women leaders in the world. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Jennifer. And did you know that hospitals can charge you 2 different prices for the same procedure? And it has the same equipment. How can Americans help themselves or save money during this economic time? My product, Health Savvy, is a web-based website that allows you to look up different prices in healthcare for different procedures. No, there's no website out there that has the direct price of what procedures are. There's hospitals that can charge you $5,000, $10,000 more for procedures that usually cost $5,000 on average. Now this website can be looked to your mobile phone, so you'll be able to, whenever you go to a hospital, go into emergency room, you can see what the price is for this procedure. So you have the option to choose where you want to be and have the option to choose your health care. Now this won't take that much to start up. It's something that you can automatically link to your cell phone, because a lot of cell phones today are connected to the internet. And a lot of people today spend $2.4 million in America last year just on healthcare spending. And there's a lot of things that can be saved.
I thought about the idea. I was like, well, let's put pen to paper. And so I decided to, hey, what do I really need? Really excited that I won.